Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to extract audio from video on Capcut browser. Now this is not on the PC app, this is on the browser as you can see, so keep that in mind. You can do this also on Capcut PC app, but for instance you don't have it, select upload and select local and select the video you want and add it to this project media. I'm just waiting for the video to get transcoded, so I'm just going to then add it to track. Then after it's downloading, to extract the audio, you are going to right click on it and then you are going to select extract audio. Then you can just delete the video and add in any video you want later on if you want just the audio. And that is basically it. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!